Hinge is surveilling me. The app is filled with fake men who are being created by Alex Carpolaner to track and spy on me. How do I know this? 75% of the men I see mention banana bread. That is a dead giveaway that the profiles are fake. How many men in real life ever talk about banana bread? None. But take a look at all of these different men with banana bread prompts. Weird. Right. And it's only happening to me. Suspicious. I tried to ask one of the spy accounts why he was doing this, but unfortunately wasn't able to get any information from him. If anyone know anything about this coordinated surveillance, please let me know.